Hi, I'm Kurt Fry. Welcome to Excel 2016, Introduction to Formulas and Functions. In this course, I'll show you how to create useful calculations in Excel 2016. I'll start by demonstrating how to reference cells in a formula, copy and paste formulas effectively, and get help when you need it. Then, I'll show you how to find the sum, or average of a dataset, summarize data conditionally based on rules you define, and summarize data quickly on the status bar. Next, I'll demonstrate how to make your formulas easier to read by using named ranges, group and outline your data, and store your data in Excel tables. After that, I'll show you how to import data into Excel, trace and correct errors, and perform more advanced calculations that let you change your formula's inputs or find an input value that generates the result you want. I'm sure you'll find that your time with Excel 2016, Introduction to Formulas and Functions, will be time well spent. Dive right in.